Welcome to Filipino Sizzling Food. Rise, Shine, Kitchen. Welcome to my channel, Inday Ragas. Guys, I'm so hungry. I'm craving food, Filipino food. So this restaurant is a new open about 2 weeks ago. Rise and Shine Kitchen here in Bristol. So I am so happy that there is a Filipino food here and display. And now they had a lemon, Philippine lemon here. Look at this. I'm so happy to see this. I feel like I am in the Philippines now. See, look at this. So now I am invited my friend to come and join my dinner, my lunch, I mean. So this is the main menu, Rise Shine Asian food. There is Bicol Express, chicken inasal, kare-kare, anything what you want to like to eat. They want lechon kawali, beef kare-kare, pansit, anything. Beef pares. Oh, so crispy ducks. So there it is. I show you around. So welcome to a new Filipino restaurant, and they make their obi cake here, and I feel at home. So I'm so happy. This is a new Filipino restaurant called Rise and Shine in Bristol, England. There you are. Look at this, Rise and Shine. Rise for life. Shining for shining. So there you are. I'm so happy. Look at outside. It's in the wharf, Bristol. So I invited my two friends. It's about an hour to go. That one is crispy ducks with pak choy with rice, and this one is beef kare-kare, something like that. Beef kare-kare, I'm sure. And this one is chicken inasal with rice. Yummy. Sizzling. Look at that, sizzling. So let's eat, guys. I'll show you. This is my food. Chicken inasal with rice. So we eat, guys. Come on time. So you see to my friend that we share, because it's a big portion. Let's eat, guys. And there's another table is a Filipino as well. So they keep on chatting to me. It's a bit hot. So we had chili sauce, and the owner was talking to me all the time. So very delicious, just like mang inasal chicken. Yes, very nice. Was so hungry, guys. I don't have a breakfast. So we walk, and it was raining, and my back is wet. So just in time, luckily when we came in this restaurant, it wasn't too much. It's not much customer, so we're still lucky. So I enjoy my chicken in a sun. Yeah, everybody enjoy the food. So the other order was crispy ducks with rice and pak choy, and the other friend is the beef kare-kare, something like that, nice and tender. Mine is chicken inasal with rice. That was very tasty, guys. And you should try this one, whoever in nearby in UK, England. So I was asking for a knife because it's nice that one could eat properly with knife. So I was so really hungry. I could not find spaghetti. So I was going to, I have to travel spaghetti. If I want to eat spaghetti, I have to travel for about 50 minutes drive. But this one is about 10 minutes on the bus. So there you are. The owner of the restaurant keep on talking me, asking about, did you enjoy everything? Is it nice? So while I'm eating, I'm talking to the owner of the restaurant. And then on my back, other table was Filipino as well. They're eating the other side, three Filipino. They're eating the next table to me, behind me, I mean. So talking about food, that we're so happy that there is a Filipino food in here. Kare-kare or zizling. Lots of people like, sizzling. I never had that one back home, sizzling, only when I arrived in UK. So I'm so happy. Ooh, so happy that we had the Filipino restaurant. Rise and shine, rise for life. So, thank goodness. Everything gonna be okay. So, it's horrible when you're eating, somebody talking. So, what can you do? Somebody asking, talking. So, I was so hungry, guys. And then on the way in, it was just started raining, and they're making as well obi cake, very nice. And also this Rise and Shine restaurant, family, run by family business, mother, father, sons, two sons and one daughter. Father was a chef and with his two sons, and his mom as well. Sometimes he came around to help, and he's making obi cake as well. So that was so delicious. This is my second time I came this restaurant. So I'm so happy. My day is complete today. Completed by with Rush and Shine. So they keep on asking me, talking about me. So everything gonna be okay. So now I feel like I'm home, because being alone is so, you know but today I don't fancy to cook my dinner being alone. So I think I'm gonna eat somewhere. But my friend came around because he's craving as well of Filipino food. So I said, let's come together. Shall we go to Rush and Shine? And she was so happy as well when I told her that there is a Filipino restaurant now. So I said, okay, let's come. Shall we meet together? So she's traveled about 1 hour, and then I pick him up over in the bus station, and then we walk because I don't bother to drive the car, so I rather to catching the bus because I have to go somewhere, and sometimes it's so hard to find a space, and now this day so many cars, so I thought I will take a bus like day rider ticket. So day rider meaning you go everywhere as long as a day, whole day long, so you can use it anywhere you go because it's a day rider within outskirts city or anywhere as long as it's a part of this town. There you are. I'm there, almost there. I'm almost there. Finish the food. It's so nice. I really enjoy it with everything we eat. Nothing left on the plate. So we had a OB cake after this, but I forgot to take the video. So I share my chicken inasal to my friend because it's too big portion for me. So there you are. Thank you so much for watching my video. My day is completed with the Rise and Shine kitchen. I really enjoy my lunch today. Very nice.